Hello and a warm welcome. We have with us Mr. Ashish Kumar Shukla, BDC Asia for iVario. Ashish sir, thank you so much for joining us. Ashish sir, if you could just tell us how was your experience here at Bakery Business 2025 and HORECA 2025?
Thank you. Pleasure is all mine. So this is my first time that I've been a part of this exhibition. Although Rational has participated in this exhibition couple of years back as well, but I must say the show is improving in every year. I must say what a lovely infrastructure you guys have. Everyone, whoever is doing any this kind of exhibition in India, they have to must come here and learn from you guys. This HORECA business is really improving, and I must say it is the one of the biggest show of West India, not only West India. In fact, it is really making a big name in the entire Pan India as well.
Correct.
Rational, we are a German company, and you know that we are a two-product company. More than 50 years we are in the market. We are manufacturing and invented of combi technology, combi oven, and we have a new product range which is iVario braising pan. And we are here with our international equipment company, one of our exclusive dealer for Indian market.
Perfect. Thank you so much. And these words coming for the hospitality first team, the bakery business and the HORECA 2025.